Take a ride in the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, power windows, fog lights, CD player, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, steel wheels, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.